comes back to die for me. The next time he comes, there won't be a Calvary. The next time he comes, we'll begin eternity. And when he comes again, he'll be coming for me. I remember when I met him, how his spirit took control. He established my wings. Now he lives within my soul. For a